In this video, I'll show you how to hit the perfect keyword density for your WordPress content. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. Today we're going to talk about keyword density. What is keyword density and should you be worried about it? Keyword density is actually a somewhat controversial topic in the world of SEO. And it's controversial because the experts can't seem to agree upon whether it matters or not. If you want to read more about this topic, you can check out the companion blog post on our website at allinoneseo.com/blog. I'll drop a link into that blog in the description below this video. But in that blog, we talk about keyword density and we talk about the experts weighing in on keyword density. Search Engine Journal and Ahrefs says it doesn't matter, while Authority Hacker says it does matter. So our take is that you should worry about keyword density a little bit, but don't spend too much time on it. Now, the hard way to check keyword density is to figure out your keyword for a particular piece of content. Let's say in this case, it was SEO conference, and go through your content and count up all the times you use the phrase SEO conference, and then get your total word count and do some math and figure out what your keyword density is. But why would you do that when you can just use an awesome WordPress SEO plugin like All-in-One SEO that has a keyword density checker built into it? So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO setup wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at AIOSEO.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. And then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So now that you've got All-in-One SEO installed, let's head on over to the All Posts section of our website. And I'm going to pull up this post called The Best WordPress Image Compression Plugins. Now, if we click on the All-in-One SEO button on the top right here, I'm going to click on this section that says General, and then on the section that says Focus Keyphrase. Now, if I scroll down in Focus Keyphrase, we have green check marks and red X's. Green check marks is telling me I'm doing things right. I don't need to work on it from an SEO perspective. A red X is telling me I've got some work to do. So if I scroll down here, I get to this section called Focus Keyphrase Density. It's telling me my focus keyphrase density is low at 0.44%. Keyphrase appears 10 times. For better results, try to aim for more than 0.5%. So I'm going to scroll back up and remind myself what my focus keyphrase was. It's right here. It's Best WordPress Image Compression Plugins. I'm scoring a 0.44. I want to hit 0.5. So I'm guessing if I add that keyphrase, Best WordPress Image Compression Plugins, just one more time in my content, that'll probably satisfy that requirement, and we'll turn this red X into a green check. So let's scroll down here and see if I can find a place to add that. So right here we have when it comes to image compression plugins, I think that's a good place to add. So I've just changed that to when it comes to the best WordPress image compression plugins. That got us to a 0.49 almost. So we're going to look a little bit more through the content and see where else I can add that focus key phrase. Here's another place where I've got, if you're looking for an image compression plugin, I could easily change that to if you're looking for the best image compression plugins. All right, and that took care of it. I first had the best image compression plugins and then remembered it's the best WordPress image compression plugins. So now my focus key phrase density has changed to a check mark. I can still click that caret and expand it if I want to learn, if I want to get more information, and it's telling me my focus key phrase density is good at 0.53%. So that is much, much easier than checking this manually. I like what I've done with the focus key phrase density here, so I'm going to click the blue update button to save my changes. So now let's click my site logo. In your site, it might be your site logo, or it might be just the WordPress logo. Take us back to the all posts section, and I'm going to show you another example where I've overshot the keyword density. So if I pull up this post called men's basketball shoes, same thing, go to the all-in-one SEO button on top, click on general, click on focus key phrase, and this time it's telling me focus key phrase density is high at 3.95%. Key phrase appears 3 times, only 3 times. For better results, try to aim for lower than 2.5%. So 3 times is tipping the scale a little bit too far, and that's because there's not much text on this page. So I could flush out the page with more text, but I think we can probably remove 1 or 2 of the focus key phrase and see what that does. My focus key phrase here is basketball shoes. So let's just get rid of the first one here. We'll just change this to men's shoes. Now we're down to 2.67. So I took out 2 of them. Now our focus key phrase density is good. If I click that caret and open it up, it's telling me we're at 1.35%. So we've determined to be on the safe side, you want to be higher than 0.5% and lower than 2.5%. I'm going to click this blue update button to save my changes, and my changes have been saved, and the keyword density is appropriate on this page to have used the keyword enough, but not to be using it so much that the page is going to be considered keyword stuffing. So that's how to achieve perfect keyword density for your WordPress content. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to use all-in-one SEO with the Page Builder Divi. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.